Fees. Academic period is a system mandatory requirement which must be set in order to enable fees. The system will prompt a message on Fees tab once it has detected that your academic period has not yet been set. Changes on HEI fees are not allowed by the system once your HEI has created billing statement. It can only be updated if you delete the existing billing statement provided that its status is on process HEI and that the billing period is still underway. Else, any alteration shall be upon HEI's request and is subject to PACN's approval. Input the corresponding amount on each box beside the academic program under its respective term and year level. The scroll bar below should help you on easier access to complete encoding of fees, especially if your HEI offers trimestral or quarter as academic period. Once done, click Update. The system shall prompt a message to confirm that fees has been successfully saved. Please note that encoding of HEI fees is a system mandatory requirement which must be set in order to create billing statement.